Okay, greetings everybody. How are you doing today? It's a pleasure to have you here. Today is the 23rd of March 2021, and what we want to talk about today is the Bitcoin cryptocurrency, the father of all cryptos. For a long time now, we have been paying attention to these cryptos, and of course, we have been trying to get a better understanding of what it's trying to do. We all can see the bullish run on the BTC, but then what goes up must come down. And of course, in this bubble that we've been talking about for a while, we still feel that this bubble must bust, right? And of course, it has been failing to test some certain areas, right? Now, if you look at what we have here, now we have it boxed in this range over here after testing the 57K marker, right? It broke out, but this could easily be a fake out. And you can see it has been struggling here. For those that are just jumping into the Bitcoin because, hey, Bitcoin is bullish, Bitcoin is bullish. Of course, they're going to be sweating some bullets now. Because from what I see over here, I'm still expecting some drop, right, to the downside, of course. And of course, we can also use different time frames to have a better view of what is happening. If we cross over to the 4 hours time frame, now we should be able to see a breakout from a triangle over here if we look very well. So this breakout from this triangle here, what are we expecting? Right, what are we expecting from the breakout? This is the breakout here, so we're expecting that price should go back to test the triangle and then of course push further down, right, at least to these lows of that triangle, and then of course push further down some more. I'm still expecting 42k very soon, as that 42k was never hit properly as a support, so it still remains untested. Here it never got there, never got there, never got there, and never got there. So we're expecting that price should get to 42k marker sooner than later. Now it will be good for you to pay attention and watch this video a couple of times, because when this happens, of course, it will be too late for a lot of people. I have a lot of traders that I discuss with, and a lot of them are just saying, hey, just pull the trigger, click on buy, just click on buy from anywhere, you will make money on the Bitcoin. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to pay attention to what is happening on the chart. And once you pay attention, also playing around with different time frames, we can still drop down some time frames as well, because multi-time frame analysis will give us a better and clearer view of what is happening in the market, right? But looking at what we have over here, you can see that a breakout from this triangle, which has already occurred here, right? We should be expecting what? This is the breakout from the triangle here. As we can see, we should be expecting a pullback to retest this area, right? And then a further drop. So I'm just patiently waiting for the pullback. The pullback occurs, great. If it doesn't occur, hey, great. But the main thing now is that the directional bias for me is down. This bubble is about to go boom. It's about to bust. But let's see how things go, right? And of course, we'll keep you updated from time to time. Don't forget to trade safely. Don't forget to ensure that you are using a visible stop loss. And of course, your risk management must be well calculated. Do not over risk, right? So thank you guys. It has been indeed a pleasure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and yes, comment below with a question or two, and then of course we will look at it together. Great. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and goodbye for now. Goodbye.